So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to curve text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, to add some text, press on the text icon, press on it again, and I will type in the word curve, just like that. Now once you're on this page right here, if you want to curve text, go ahead and press on the three horizontal lines. Then in the bottom right it says ABC with a curve. Go ahead and press on that. Now once you're on this page right here, you can actually go ahead and bend the text or curve the text to what you want. So if you wanted to curve it like that, you can go ahead and also alter the way that it is curved in the angle. You can also change the direction that it's curved as well. So if you want to keep it like that, for example, I will go ahead and press on the check mark right here. Now if I were to play the text or play the video, my text is now curved. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can curve text in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.